and welcome back to the phenomenal session once again, and this is I think 8 to 9 number of videos in a one day, and special thanks to the Ayush Vardhan that he has recommended me in the comment section that sir please make a video regarding the important essay part which is probable to come in the examination. People, whether it is CBSE or ICSE, every year I repeat every year how the essay generally comes. Essay generally comes on the present scenario, present situation. From that only essay generally comes. Special essay generally all about a summer. You are giving an examination in case of summer. Summer में कुछ exam आएगा that whether distinguish between summer and winter, whether the summer is good or winter is good. Suppose debate में आ सकता है. Would you like to prefer summer or winter? In this way the question may come. In this way the essay may come. And see, I am saying if it will come or not I don't know. But remember this type of generally it comes in the examination. For an example, online and offline classes. Whether are you getting happy with the online classes or you were happy with the offline classes? Not only online and offline but also bifurcated syllabus, entire syllabus, that also somehow very important. These are the essay type of question will come in the examination. May come Russia, the war between Ukraine and Russia. Please people just go ahead and get some knowledge regarding it. Go to the Google, search it and get some knowledge regarding it. अगर by mistakenly भगवान के कृपा से अगर कुछ लग गया चकमाचूर, because you have Google it the last night. ज्ञान तो बटा लो ना, ज्ञान कर लो, आएगा एग्जाम में पक्का के पक्का. may come or may not come, we don't know, but have a knowledge regarding it. Reduced syllabus, whole syllabus was good or reduced syllabus was good. This may come also. See, we don't know which kind of essay will be coming, but this essay may also come regarding examination. COVID-19 school reopening childs. Whether the COVID-19 is good or not. Even the COVID-19, generally the COVID-19 is also there in all over the India, especially in New Delhi. The way COVID crisis is rising in New Delhi, but students are still going to the school. Children are still going to the school. Give the opinion regarding it. Are you happy regarding it? Summer. Do you like the summer season? Narrate the story. Descripting. You are in a market. You are in a village and you went to the summer vacation, but you could not go to the summer. But you could not go to the suppose you are in a home, right? Your parents are planning to go to the Darjeeling, but you cannot go because of the examination during the summer. This type of question may come in the examination. Summer, as well as school is the second life, school is the best life, school is the best life. This will also come regarding story. School is the best life. Yes, though you are completing your examination, though exam is going to get over, school, some emotion are also there with all the child, student, school, teacher, principal, everyone. So this might also come. School is going to be, and the school is the best life, school is the second home. Please give opinion regarding it. People, please do have a Google. Pollution, picture based pollution आ सकता है. Water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, environmental pollution, poor family feeding. And yes, title थोड़ा याद रखो. Poor family, poor feeding. You can help to give some of the title. Poor family का alternative title क्या हो सकता है? Google करो, लिख पाओगे. No feeding, मुझे खाने के लिए नहीं मिल रहा. Picture based पे ऐसे कुछ आता है. A boy is poor. In the picture it is showing the boy is poor. He is not having anything to eat. What would be the title of it? What would be the end title of it, people? And did I leave anything? Increasing in petroleum. Increase the petroleum prices are getting increased, and the refinery oil, petroleum are getting increased. Middle class people, they cannot even get eat. Middle class people, they cannot even survive their living standard. What are the opinion regarding it? That are the scenario. Please do have a research of it. Only have some of the knowledge, collect all kind of man point knowledge, and I hope this will be helping you out during the examination session. Election parts. What are the election, whether election should be continue or not. Election but इतना भी important नहीं है. लिख चुका था थोड़ा बहुत. और कुछ बचा? Anything more? Online, offline, Russia, Ukraine, COVID-19 school reopening, childs, Delhi, COVID crisis, students are going school. Yeah, I told. Increasing in petroleum. Summer का थोड़ा दे देना. Summer, mango stands for summer. These are the important. Yes, everything I told. So these are the important part of the composition. I hope यहाँ से कुछ related वाला आ जाए. And I really pray near Almighty all the students should come from the examination with a flying colors. People, I really bless you from here. I don't know who is watching, who are not, but I really pray those who are giving ICSE class 10 semester 2 examination, सबका exam का result ठीक हो. और बस यही प्रार्थना भगवान से. And you people will be doing great. You people will be having a bright future. I can even assure even from here, because I am positive. I hope you are also positive. And just only one night left. Just you have to go and rock the session, and you people will be rocking out in a very effective manner. And after that, please comment how was your exam. Thank you very much. Signing off for today. Again coming stronger. कमेंट करो, टॉपिक बताओ, वीडियो लाएंगे. थैंक यू.